to my channel.
Shut up! Hey guys, it's Aerospace Abby. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I've actually talked to you. We're in the middle of a fucking pandemic there. I have dyed my sister's hair multiple times. If you don't know, she's actually albino, which makes her hair just like naturally white. So it's really easy to dye it because
We don't have to bleach
we don't have to bleach it at all.
We're gonna go with two colors that I've done before and no work.
Anyway, my parents are at they're like at a dinner party with one of our close friends.
Getting hammered.
So they won't know that we're re-dyeing her hair until tomorrow morning, which is why we're doing it now. And they won't be home until like probably 1 tonight. We also have to get Taco Bell. Let's go pick out a color. CVS Pharmacy. Let's go. Can we do 6 regular soft tacos? All right, thank you. Yeah. All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. We got the Taco Bell. Just so unlike my dad to talk about spaceships or anything like that. Welcome to Abby's Beauty Salon. 2 colors here. We have the purple. Got a cold shiver. Ow! No, yes. Ow! 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 First side down. Now do the second side in pink.
I just got a message from one of my friends saying that it never comes out.